Hello, welcome to Geometry Virtual Learning. In today's presentation, I'm just going to go through some problem of the day question related to cosine rule. So what's the problem for the day? We have A, B, E, F and C, B, E, D are congruent parallelograms where AB and BC equals XCM. P is a point on AF and Q is the point on CD such that BP, BQ, they all equals 10 cm. Given that ABC is 30 degrees, prove that cos BPQ equals 1 minus 2 minus root 3 bracket over 200 x squared. You can pause the video and try your hands on that. When you are ready, you can click play to see the way I solved it. So the first thing is to put the information that is missing on the diagram. So first is we know X for AB and BC. We know 10 cm for PB and BQ. Now over here you see it's a bit messy now. So whatever you want to do from here, you need to pull out information side by side. So I would like to, and 30 degrees as well, I would like to focus on triangle BAC to find the expression for AC squared. I want to know what will be the expression for AC squared. Why? Because I'm supposed to prove cos BPQ. BPQ, I would need the expression for PQ, but I can't readily know that yet because I don't know the angle between this. But I know the angle between X and X, so I can work out AC and refer the same for PQ. So pulling ABC aside, quoting the formula for cosine rule 4 aside, I have information to put in the formula. This is B, this is C, this is the angle A. So AC squared is x squared plus x squared, that is what you see here, minus 2 times x, because B and C are both x, times cos of 30. Tidy up, 2x squared minus 2x squared root 3 over 2. Now you can divide 2 by 2 for this one. So 2 will cross out these 2, and AC squared will become 2x squared minus x squared root 3. So AC squared is the same as PQ squared. That's the first thing I want you to remember. Let's move on. Now, I know AC squared is the same as PQ squared. So I'm now going to concentrate on PQB or BPQ. Okay. So using the same cosine rule, but this time you're looking for the angle because that's what I want to prove. Cos of BPQ. Cos of BPQ. So this is what I'm going to prove. Your B squared is 10. Your C squared is 10. But your A squared is PQ squared. So your A squared is exactly the same expression you see here. So that's your A squared. So we start BP squared, BQ squared minus PQ squared, all divided by 2 times PB times BQ. Replacing all the important information, 10 plus 10 squared plus 10 squared minus A squared is exactly PQ squared, which is the same as AC squared. So 200, 100 plus 100, 200, minus all this expression over 200. Now split it into 2 fractions. 200 over 200 minus 2x squared minus x squared root 3 all over 200. So you can catch because you are trying to prove what they've given you here. 200 over 200 is 1. But you see you can factor out x squared. So you have 1 minus, if you factor out x squared, that's what is outside here, you get exactly what they want you to prove. So this is the simple problem that I would like to take you through. That brings us to the end of lesson 4. I would say a problem-solving question for cosine rule. Thank you very much for watching. Share with your friends and hit notification button if you haven't done so, so that you'll be alerted of videos that I post. Thank you very much for watching.